the #1 investment that you can make is in yourself, right? So there are things that you're going to learn here that can save you hundreds of thousands of dollars, and you could pick up one little idea that could be a new income generating activity that could just drive your business to the next level.
I was just talking to one of the other members a little bit ago, and I was like, this event is absolutely incredible. And I've been to a lot of events.
I uncovered some things that I didn't even realize were issues in our business. And I think that's the most powerful thing about immersing yourself in a community like this, is you come away with a lot more than you actually came to receive.
Oh man, the people here are so diverse. I'm talking agency owners from 300,000 just starting out up to like 9-10 million a year, trying to double that.
These guys are inspirational.
I really just wanted to be with a group of people that have been there and done that can speak the same language, have some of the similar problems that I have, and I have found that to be the case.
I also think there's a lot of challenges that are brought up during this event that I didn't even know we had. And it's the questions that you don't think to ask because you don't really know about that.
This is more about implementation, learning things that I can apply, and not just learning a concept, but asking a question about it. Like, okay, I heard that topic, that conversation. Now how do I put that into my business and get some feedback from other people that are doing it very successfully?
It's just, it's cool to come into a place with a bunch of like-minded people that really no ego, no agenda. There isn't anybody that's bigger or better than anybody else. We're all on a level playing field here, and it's something refreshing about that.
I have a strong feeling if I walked right back in here and asked somebody about a specific problem, all 20 people or so would give me an answer. And they wouldn't hesitate to say, yeah, we can get on a call next week and I'll show you exactly what I'm doing.
It's amazing, it's very welcoming, it's beautiful, it's inspirational. The activities were great, bonding with other people, when you're doing things like climbing a mountain, like you get to know people a little bit better. And just playing games with them and chit-chatting and stuff, it just makes for a great atmosphere and a lot of good lifetime friends, I think, started.
The setting here makes it easy to start a small chit-chat, and the small chit-chat is in the end very valuable.
An amazing group of humans. It was a really nice mix of all the qualities that I look for, both in a friend and in someone that I want to learn more about business.
It's beautiful. We've seen sunsets, we've seen wildlife. It's small enough to be intimate.
I would say the most value I've gotten from an event is this one that I'm at.
And hang out in a beautiful spot where Jason has his own mountain, literally has his own mountain. It's right over there. And we get to climb it. You get to hang out in a fun atmosphere. It really loosens up your brain.
I just really love surrounding myself with people that are hopefully smarter than me in most cases.
Every single person I've met has been able to become a friend, but also add value. I've learned a lot. Everyone's so different in terms of their skill sets, their expertise.
One thing I really like is there's actual hot seats, and you're not just listening to speakers all day. You're actually, talking to everybody here, so the venue's been awesome.
This organic nature of being out in the woods, out here, being able to hike, being able to actually have just a more natural conversation with everyone here, it's taken it up so much more, a higher level.
Climbing up Swenk Mountain and actually making it to the top was a fun moment.
Everything that happens here stays here, so I just feel comfortable with sharing documents and processes, and everybody else feels the same.
But you need to see it in real life. The house is great, the view is incredible.
It's amazing.
I think I'd love to come back here again.
Do it tomorrow in a heartbeat. I'm coming out of here with so much energy, having learned so much, and really excited to get back to work next Monday.
Price of being away from the office, X, price of the experience, invaluable.